I love getting the newsletter from Micro Gardener. It's like getting a Christmas present because you never really know what's inside. The thing I really love is I look at the pictures too because they're bright, but they also, sometimes it's the pictures that give you the little idea that you want. I'm really into container gardening, and I love to look at the different things you can use for containers. And that newsletter often has marvelous ideas, and the picture might show what I want to do, where the article is about something different. It's just showing what's been done. But I think, oh, that container, those old boots, or whatever it might be, that's the kind of thing I get a kick out of. So I get a great delight from reading the newsletter. The recipe for the potting mix, that's a brilliant thing that I've used over the years. And that was my start to all of this. It was fantastic. But now there's so many other things I've learnt, and especially, I think it's because I've changed my diet because of the newsletter. I've learnt so many things about the herbs and the greens especially, and that's my big thrill now. So the newsletter is a great joy to me every time it comes.